Hi, today I would like to show you 7 legit sites to earn money by listening to music to make $100 online really fast. So just stay with this video till the end. I'm going to show you only those websites because it's all about music, but related not all of them like music. It's related to music or listening, but at the end of the day you are going to make money online. So this is what is very important to us. So we are making money fast. We are making $100 really fast. If you haven't made any money online yet, this video is only for you. You just go there and see this video and apply those techniques, and you are really fast to make $100 online fast, easy. And this is what it is. So without wasting any of your time, I'm going to show you the first website. The site that I was talking about is called MusicXray.com. Yes, this is MusicXray.com. Is a really popular and good sites right now that many people related to these fields and working in these fields know this type of sites, and this is the number one sites that pays you for listening to music. So everywhere, every now and then, people's new artists are coming up every now and then, and people's making music. So they want to get a recognition, they want to get popular to you. So they want their musics to deliver to everyone and see what's the reactions and how they are going to be popular, so that they use this type of websites who arrange that systems that these people, we are all around the world, are going to go to these websites and listen to those new artist songs, and we rate those songs, review those songs, and in that process that songs gets ranked, and in that process that a writer, songs, or artist gets that popularity or what it deserves to get. So this is the opportunity for you, and that is the way those artists are paying this company, and this company is paying us to listening to those musics and rating those music and so on so forth. So these all things, simply you just go there, and if you just scroll down, you can just read through all the things and nuts and bolts about the websites. If I just go over to their music sections, that you can just what it is to be a fan or be a music listener. Here's the page. You can see that what is FanMatch. FanMatch is a really good way to earn money in these websites to listening to music. So for you, just sign up. It's all for free, just music. When you just sign up and check out daily in your inbox, in the site's inbox, you will see that new music arrives in the inbox. So you just click on it, it will start playing, and you just listen to that music, and just simply after that you just hit some ratings, and that's it. You get paid to listen to that music, and you just if you just love those musics, you just become a fan of that band or artist, and just discover more music from those bands or artists, and become a really future and solid fan for them. So they are in the process, they are building their fan base for them, and this is what is all about. This is why they want to pay us, and we are getting paid for just become a fan for them and listening to this music. So this is the catch. It's all about simply use your phone and you listening to musics, and you are getting paid for that. So the second website that I have to show in this video is called current.us. Yes, this is current.us. You may heard it already or not, but this is a really good apps right now. It's booming up, and it's available on Apple Store and Google Play, and you can earn up to $600 per year. You can see that you can earn $600 per year. So it's around $50 per month you can earn by just listening to various type of artist musics, and so on so forth. You just go to their apps, you just install it. The name Apple Store name of this app is also the Current, and Google Play app is like a different name. It's like Mood. You will see that in Mood Earn app, which is also a current app for Google app version. So simply download those apps and start listening. So whether you go on the go, on your way to home, on your way to work, anytime, you just simply you do listen to music every day. So why not earn money with that? So just install it, start earning, and you will get a handsome amount of money every month with doing that. So this is the second website. The third website that I have to show is in this video is called slicethepie.com. Yes, slicethepie.com is a very good website to rating new musics in a new artist, so that you can just get paid for your opinion for that. So this is the thing. It is just simply sign up as a free member, and you are going to get some offer, some listing, some musics you have to listen, and then you have to just rate it out, and at the end of the month or at the end of the day you will get paid for that opinion on that music. So this is the all about the work here, simply listening to music and review and rate those musics. That's it. So the number 4th position is called playlistpush.com. So this is the site. Playlistpush.com is a little bit different than on the three sites that I have already shown you. This is like a playlist pushing. So if you have some playlist, like you just listen to many people's songs every day, and you have to have a playlist that has some fans, have some subscriber on it, so that it's like Spotify or TikTok or anything like that. You just go there, you have some users, you just regularly upload some TikToks videos, you just get some influencing going on your social media accounts like TikTok and Spotify, and then you just simply use those influencing field to make money. So how is that? You just simply have a Spotify account and TikTok account and build some audience like that, and there is a minimum requirement with that, and that's not that difficult. So you just be on regular on TikTok and Spotify, and no matter what, you will soon get those subscribers really fast, and then you can apply to playlistpush.com, and that's it. You just get some items to just upload it to or send it to playlist, to your playlist, and you will make money. The songs and that they will recommend, you just simply push it to your playlist on Spotify, and when people just listen to them and you listen to them, everybody gets money for that. So this is the catch here, playlistpush.com. So the number 5th positions, the site is called hitpredictor.com, is also a really good way to listen to new musics and rate it out. So simply help predict the next hit song. This is the concept about this website. So you just go there and listen to new musics, new artists, and then rate those new musics, and you will earn gift cards. So this sites, it's not going to pay in cash, they just pay you in gift cards. So this is the thing, and you can make difference, and you can see, you can pick the latest and the new artist and make it hit, so it can get popular and popular. So in the process you can make money for that. So the number 6th positions is called radioart.com. So you listen to radio every day, right? You just on the go, on the way to home, on the way to office, on the way to school. Many times many people listens to radio, so why not earn money with that? So radioart.com comes in that place. You just go there, you just sign up there, there's the free process. You just earn along with your website and your listening. You just simply go there and just listen to radios. And you can also, if you have a website or something like that, that people browse every day, you can just add their API and these radio earn sections to your website, and when people listens to your radios, and you will make money on that process as well. But that's an optional option, that is an additional options. You just simply sign up there, listens to radio, and you earn money with that. So last but not least, this number 7 position is cashforminutes.com. Cashforminutes.com is a really good way to get paid for making phone calls. Yes, this is a lot like listening to music, but it's related to listening and earning money, and it's the process. It is according to their statement. Cash for Minutes is a unique service that allows you to earn cash with your monthly unused phone minutes simply by listening to internet radio broadcasts. So this is all about, this is the concept, is really really good. Many people have unused phone minutes every month, they waste that. So why not try that? You just simply go there, sign up as a free member, and access those numbers. Choose a number to dial, making sure you always perform a short test call to check you're not being charged. And so that this is a toll-free number, so you just call it and attend those radio broadcasts, and you will make money with that. So this is all about, this is the thing. It is, you just call it, and for calling that, you just listening to some broadcast, and you will get money for that. So this is all the 7th website that you just pick. I just handpicked for you. Just simply go there, register, and start working, and you will make $100 really really fast. So this is the catch, is this is the strategy. If you're liking this method, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you're always notified on my latest videos. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.